Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and withdraw money from Coinbase. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So to withdraw your money from Coinbase, first sell your cryptocurrency for a fiat currency like USD, then select transfer or withdraw cash from the assets or my assets tab. Next, choose your destination account and the amount to withdraw, then preview and confirm the transaction. It is as simple as that. When you are doing this, there are a couple important considerations to make. So if you have a balance in crypto, you must first sell it for a fiat currency before you can withdraw to a bank account or card. You can also withdraw to a linked bank account or in some regions an eligible debit card. Instant withdrawals may have associated fees. Bank transfers might be slower but potentially cheaper. Review the fee details before confirming the transaction. You may also need to complete a two-step verification to confirm the withdrawal. The time it takes for the fund to arrive varies by withdrawal method, from instant to a few business days. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.